Mastering academic listening, strategies for understanding lectures and presentations. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of our English language learning series. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of academic listening. More specifically, we will focus on listening to academic lectures and presentations. This is a crucial skill for English language learners, as it enables you to comprehend complex ideas and engage with academic content effectively. So, let's get started. Academic lectures serve as a primary source of information in educational settings. Understanding their purpose and structure can greatly enhance your listening comprehension. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. 1. Purpose. Academic lectures aim to inform, explain, analyze, or persuade. Recognizing the purpose of a lecture can help you anticipate the content and focus on relevant details. 2. Structure. Lectures often follow a specific structure, typically including an introduction, main points, supporting examples, and a conclusion. Familiarize yourself with this structure to better grasp the flow of ideas. Preparing before the lecture begins can significantly improve your understanding. Here are some effective strategies to employ. 1. Preview the topic. Read any available information about the topic beforehand, such as a syllabus, textbook chapters, or lecture titles. This helps you activate prior knowledge and familiarize yourself with the subject matter. 2. Review vocabulary. Identify key terms related to the lecture topic and review their definitions. Understanding these terms in advance will make it easier to follow the lecture and grasp the main ideas. 3. Set listening goals. Establish specific goals for the lecture, such as understanding the main ideas, identifying supporting details, or recognizing specific examples. This focus will help you stay engaged and retain important information. Now that you're well prepared, let's explore strategies to enhance your listening comprehension during the lecture. 1. Active listening. Engage actively by taking notes, mentally summarizing key points, and asking yourself questions as you listen. Actively participating in the lecture helps you stay focused and reinforces your understanding. 2. Identify the lecture structure. Pay attention to verbal cues indicating transitions between main points, supporting examples, or conclusions. This allows you to follow the lecture structure and organize your notes effectively. 3. Use context clues. When encountering unfamiliar words or phrases, rely on context clues to deduce their meaning. Pay attention to the speaker's tone, gestures, or the content being discussed to infer the intended message. After the lecture ends, it's essential to review and reinforce your understanding of the content. Consider these strategies. 1. Review your notes. Take a few minutes to review and organize your notes. Fill in any gaps or add additional details while the lecture is still fresh in your mind. 2. Reflect on the main ideas. Summarize the main ideas of the lecture in your own words. This process helps solidify your understanding and aids in long-term retention. 3. Discuss and engage. Engage in discussions with classmates or fellow language learners to reinforce your understanding. Sharing different perspectives and clarifying doubts can deepen your comprehension and enhance critical thinking skills. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video on listening to academic lectures and presentations. By understanding the purpose and structure of lectures, preparing beforehand, employing active listening strategies, and reviewing the content post-lecture, you are well equipped to tackle academic listening challenges. Remember to practice these strategies regularly to improve your comprehension skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been